students, this lesson is third lesson for IGCSE Maths. What we are going to study in this lesson, we are going to try to understand what is factors, how we can find the factors. Then we are going to try to understand what is highest common factor and how we can find. In this lesson, actually, its important part is logic of highest common factor and then prime numbers. Actually, we studied a little in first lesson prime numbers. In this lesson, we are going to try to analyze prime number less than 100. Did you remember what was the smallest prime number? 1 or 2? What was it? 2, right? Okay, let's start. Here. What is factors? Factors is a number that divide exactly into another with no remainder. From here, example 1.10. Find the factor of 12. Okay, here there is a small mistake. Let's change this one. 8. Okay. We need to find the factors of 12. What could be? What could be? Can we divide 12 by 1? Yes. Can we divide 12 by 2? If we divide, we can get 6. By 3, we can get 4. By 4, we can get 3. Next one is 6. How do you think? And last one, 12. Got it? Dear students, if you know the multiplication table, it will be great. Actually, analyzing number, recognizing number, I think one of your fear about the maths comes from here. If you learn some numbers, I think you can destroy a little your fear of maths. Okay? Continue here. What could be factor of 18? Again 1, right? We can divide 18 by 1 with no remainder. What about the next one? 2. If we can divide by 2, we can get 9. 3. If we can divide by 3, we can get 6 with no remainder. Okay, next one is 6. Next one is 9. Yes. Next one is 18. Got it? Have a look. 24. 24 also a nice number. I recommend try to understand or learn. 1, yes. 2, yes. 3, if we divide 3, 8. 4, when we divide by 4, we get 8. And then 6, 8, and 12. Last number is 24. Okay? When you look at here, 3 numbers, what is the common point? Okay, common point here. All smallest factor, all of them is 1, right? And then highest one, look at the highest one, 12 is 12, 18 is 18, 24 is 24, which is number itself. Got it? Lowest factor every time is 1. Highest one is number itself. Okay? Okay, let's do more example. Where is the, D. 36. Some of my students doing this, I don't know, maybe you can do, they are thinking 36, for example, 9 times 4. Instead of 9, they are thinking I can write 3 times 3. Then instead of 4, I can write 2 times 2. Then they are writing first one every time. What was it? 1. Then here you can take 3. We can divide 2. Yes, here look at this. You can divide 2. Then we can divide 3. Then 4 times 4 we can get 2 times 2, which is 4. And then 3 times here, 3 times 2, which is 6. And then here 4 times 3, which is 12. And then, what is it? Next one. 9 times here. 9 times 2, 18. And last one is, every time, what was it? Number itself. Got it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. We forget. What was it? 3 times 3. Maybe we say it, maybe 9. Right? Also 9 there are. Okay? Got it? Okay. What about the 54? They are thinking like this. 6 times 9. Instead of 6, I can think 2 times 3. Here, 3 times 3. Definitely the first one is 1. What about the next one? 2. Next one, 3. 2 times 3 here, 6. 3 times 3 here, 9. And then, what is it next one? Next one is here, what we can get here. 9 times 2, which is 18. When we multiply for them, 27. And last one is number itself. Got it? 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18, 27, and 54. Got it? Okay, 60. I think you should pause me right now, okay? But can we think 2 times 6 instead of 3, instead of 10, 6 times 10, I mean like this. Here, I can think 2 times 5. Then 1 definitely, 2 definitely, 3 definitely, 4 definitely, right? We can get here. And then 5 also, 6 also, and then 10 also. I think we get 12 here, 12 also. Yes, we can get 15 here. And obviously 20, obviously 30, obviously 60. Got it? Maybe it's helpful if you think like that, like this. Okay? Okay. Say true or false in each case. 240 is a factor of 240. It means that if we can divide 240 by 240 without no remainder, it means a factor. Can we? Of course we can. Yeah? Which is 1. So that one is true, right? And 6 is a factor of 420. Let's check. If we can divide, yes. Use calculator if you have a problem. So this is also true, right? 9 is a factor 999. I think yes. Check with your calculator, which is 111. It's also true. Got it? And then 5 is a factor of 400. 400 over 5, which is 80, I think. So this is also true. True. And then 60 can be divided by 12. Yes, 5. So this is also true. Dear students, 323, it's not, I mean, you can divide it this without no remainder. So this is, check with your calculator, this is false. I mean, when you divide, you can get whole number or integer, positive integer. Got it? I hope you understand how we can check factor or is there any number or not. Okay, what is smallest factor and the largest factor of any number? We already answered, right? What was it? Smallest one every time, number 1, sorry. Smallest one every time is 1. Highest one every time, number itself. So, smallest factor 1 and highest one, number itself. Sorry, itself. Okay, itself. Got it? I hope. Next one. What is next one? Here. Highest common factor. The highest common factors of two or more numbers is the highest number that is a factor of all the given number. There's a small mistake here. How we can find? Just try to understand the logic here. First step is we are going to find all the factors of those numbers. Then we are going to determine common ones. And then we determine highest one. 3 steps including the solution. What is the factor of 9? Of course, first one, 1. So, next one, 3, 9. What about the 6? 1, 2, 3, and 6. Are there common factors? Yes, there are. 1 and 3. So, what is highest common factor? Is 3, right? When you understand logic, if you know the numbers, you will recognize easily. When you look at the here, I guess 6. Let's check what I am thinking here. What is the factors of 21? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. Got it? What about the 18? 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. Are there common factors? Yes, there are. 1, 2, 3, and 6. Therefore, highest common factor is 6. Agree? My dear students, I would like to say actually. Anyway, 24 and 36. Are you opposing me? You should. Here. What is the first step? We are going to find the factors and then we are going to determine common factors. Then we will determine highest one. Okay? Here. What is it? 24. We wrote before 1, 2, 3. Why I am choosing same number again and again? To help you to learn some numbers. Okay, here consciously I am doing. Okay, 3. Next one is 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. What about the next one? Next one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Then what about the next one? 6, 9, 12, 18, and 36. Are there common factors? Yes, there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Therefore, highest common factor is 12. Got it? I hope. Here, 42 and 70. I feel 14. Let's check. 14, instead of here, I can think 6 times 7. Instead of 6, I can write 2 times 3 times 7. What could be their factors? I mean, 42 factors. 1 yes, 2 yes, 3 yes, 6 yes, 7 yes, right? What about here? If I multiply this, 14 yes. If I multiply that one, 21, last one every time, number itself. We already learned, right? Here, 10 times 70, instead of 10, I can write 2 times 5. 10 times 7, sorry, not 70. 10 times 7, instead of 10, 2 times 5, times 7. What could be here? 1, yes. 2, yes. 5, yes. 7, yes. What about the here? 10, yes. What about the here? 14, yes. 35, here, what we get. And last one is 70. Got it? Are there common factors? Yes, there are. 1 and 2, not 3. 2, 7, and then last one is 14. Therefore, highest common factor is 14. Agree? I hope. Okay. Find the highest common factor of each pair of numbers. When you look at here, we have 3 numbers instead of 2. We will do same method. We will use same approach. Okay. Then let's look at to find factors of 24. 1, 2, 3, right? 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. Got it? What about the 16? First time I think we are writing 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. 32, 1, 2, 3, not 3, 4, 8, 16, and 32. Got it? I think here. Are there common factors? There are. 1, obviously. 2, yes. 4, yes. 8, yes. Got it? So highest one is 8. Therefore, highest common factor is 8. Agree? Are you pausing me? You should. Okay. I feel here 11. Let's check my feeling. I can write like this. Instead of 2 times 2, what can I write? 1, 2, 4, 11, 22 or 44. Huh? Got it? Here, 3 times 11 is easy, terribly easy. 1, definitely 3, 11, and 33. That one, do you remember? That one is square number, huh? 11 times 11. So 1, yes. 11, yes. 121, yes. Are there common? Yes. 1 and 11. That's it. So highest one is, therefore, highest common factor is 11. Are you learning? I hope you should. Okay. What is that is nice question. What is the highest common of 2 different prime numbers? Give a reason for your answer. Dear student, what was the prime numbers? Bigger than 1, prime number has exactly 2 factors. One of them is 1, the other one number is 7. So, therefore, just there are common factors is 1. Let's look at it. Here, 7 is a prime number. What is the factor of the 7? Factors of 7. 1 and 7. For example, 11. What is the factors of 11? 1 and 11. Are there common? Yes. What is it? 1. They are just common factor, which is 1. For this reason, highest common factor is 1 every time. Got it? Okay. We came prime number. We'll say it several times prime number definition when you look at how we can analyze this. For example, 1 is not prime, we already said. 2 is prime. 4, for example. If we can find more than a factor, one and number itself, one factor, if we can find more than them, it means that number is not prime. For example, consider 4. What is it? 2, yes? That's it. So it's enough to delete. We are going to determine prime. 5 is prime. 6, consider 2, 3, yeah. So I can cancel 8, 9, 10. What about, they are easy. What about big number? For example, look at the 51. 51 sometimes looks like prime. Let's check. How we can check if we place big number? Just write the prime numbers from smallest to largest. Here 2, 3, 5, right? 7, 11 goes on. Here Can we divide 11 by 2? No. What about 3? If we can divide 51 by 3, I think 17. Got it? It means that this is not prime. Okay? What about the other dangerous number? Okay, I think 57 like that. Here. Can we divide 57 by 2? Let's try this for all of them. Use this. Here. Can we divide by 2 57? No. What about the 3? Yes. I think when you use calculator 19, that one is not prime. Another dangerous number should be 87. Look at this, 87. Can we divide by 3? 2 we can. What about when we divide 20 by 3? We get 29. So that one also not prime. Another dangerous number is 91. 91 we can divide by 2. However, we can divide by 3. That one probably 13. Probably 13. No, not 3. Not 3. Sorry guys, sorry. I made a mistake. We can divide 3. We can divide 3. Use calculator. You can divide by 3. 2, not 5, not 7 here. 7. When you divide 7, you will find 13. Did you understand how I am checking? I am writing all small prime numbers and then I am checking whether we can divide those numbers. Okay? When you do this, all those numbers, you will get here all prime. Okay? I didn't prefer to check all of them, but I determined here. Red one, I mean 2, 3, 11, 13, 23, they are, 89, 797, they are prime numbers. Okay? Here. Red one, all red numbers are prime. Have a look. Which is the only even prime number? What is it? I said several times. 2, right? How many odd prime numbers are there less than 50? Here, odd also important. Look at it. We can take 2, right? Because 2 is even. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, I think. Got it? 14. Agree? I think. What about the next? 130 prime number, explain how we can checking. We are going to write all small prime number 3 and then 5, 7, 11, 13 goes on. 17. Here, can we divide by 2? No. 3? No. 5? No. When you divide 133, 7, I think you will find, let's check, 133 divide 7, which is 19. So that one, except one and number is set, we find 7. Actually 19 also you can divide, 19 also prime number. Anyway, that means that, 133 is not a prime number. Got it? I hope. Okay. I think we came end of to third lesson. Yes. What we learned, what is the factors, how we can find the factors, and how we can logic, it's important, highest common factor, and we determine prime numbers less than 100. Okay? And then we finished. I hope you enjoyed my lesson. Take care of yourself. See you next lesson.